Hi, it's Ruth. Today I want to talk to you about finding that up-and-coming neighborhood. I've had some questions from clients about how we find and how we identify the up-and-coming areas. And the reason for this question is, first of all, to find areas where there is affordable housing. This is a typical question when prices are heating up. So to find affordable housing in a hip area, to find a great investment at a good price and a higher cap rate. And another reason, it's a great way to build equity. For example, condo prices between 2001 and 2005 in East Boston more than doubled. So that proved to be a good investment in an up-and-coming neighborhood at the time, and still is. So how do we identify these neighborhoods? Well, there are five ways to look at these areas. Number one, great restaurants, great hip restaurants, even little ones. They're a great way to look for an economic development about to happen in an area. These restaurants often do a lot of demographic research before they move in. They know the foot traffic, they know the economic demographic, and they know that this area will flourish. Earlier in the stage, a tip that I received many years ago is follow the artist. The stereotypical thinking is that an artist needs a lot of space for not a lot of money. And an artist and a culture of artists will bring in culture, art, and beauty into the neighborhood and the obvious economic benefits of that. Number three, school systems. This is probably more applicable to rural and suburban areas than a big city. But looking at towns that have the ability to transform, to invest, and to focus on the quality of their school systems, that will eventually attract the young families into that area. Number five, look for a place that is going through a lot of condo conversions, a lot of multifamily housing turning into condominiums. That's a great indicator that things are changing and that home values are increasing dramatically. The risk of investing in an up-and-coming neighborhood, well, it's going to have a slower recovery after a downturn, and the rents are probably going to fall harder and lower than in other areas during a downturn. Also, if you're looking at speculation, you have to catch the neighborhood at its very early stages of economic flourishing. Otherwise, you're going to be missing the boat. All right, thank you so much. Call, text, write, whatever you like. I love hearing from you. I love your questions. I'll talk to you soon.